Hi friends, good morning. Today let us discuss the remaining three rules. Yesterday we discussed a plus a is equal to a and a plus e is equal to e, I plus a is equal to I. These three rules yesterday we discussed, and today we are going to discuss the remaining three rules. See, I plus e is equal to O. If the first conclusion is I type and the second conclusion is E type, then the conclusion, the direct conclusion from the given two statements is O type statement. See, look at this example. See, some actors are singers and no singer is a dancer. Some actors are singers and no singer is a dancer. This is I, this is E. So I plus E, what is the conclusion? O. And the conclusion direction is, the direction of the conclusion is this end to this end. That is, some actors are not dancers. Some actors are not dancers. What is the O format? Some A are not B. Some A are not B. So, some actors are not dancers. Some actors are not dancers. This is the direct conclusion that is followed from these given two statements. And the other conclusions, that is conversions. Some actors are singers means some singers are actors. That is a valid conclusion. And no singer is a dancer. No singer is a dancer means no dancer is a singer. That is also the conversion of the second statement. That is also a valid conclusion. So that is I plus E. Next one is E plus A. E plus A is equal to O star. O star is nothing but the reverse format of O. See, I write example. No singer is a dancer. That is E. And next A. All dancers are actors. This is E. This is A. Dancers. Alignment is done. So our conclusion is O star. O star means the reverse format of A. Normally conclusion will be from this end to this end. But in case of O star, conclusion O in this format, in this direction. That is, some actors are not singers. For E plus A friends, some reverse O. Some actors are not singers. Some actors are not singers. This is the conclusion of E plus A, for E plus A. And for E plus I, the sixth one and the last one, E plus I is also equal to O star. This is E, and this is I. Some dancers are actors. So here also O star, some actors are not singers. So for both E plus A and E plus I, the conclusion is O star. O star means reverse O. Format is O, but conclusion is from this end to this end. So that is the six rules what we have in deducing the logical deductions. Hence, one thing I tell you very clearly, there is no valid conclusion other than for these 6 combinations. You have valid conclusions only for these 6 combinations. For other combinations, you don't have valid direct conclusion. Of course, you can write conversions. And implications, etc. But the direct conclusion like this, you don't have any direct conclusion for other combinations. See, I write one example. See, for A plus A we have conclusion saying that A. But for E plus E, you don't have conclusion. Don't be misguided. See, E plus E is not equal to E. No valid conclusion. No conclusion. For E plus E, there is no direct conclusion. See, don't be misguided. No actor is a singer, and no singer is a dancer. E plus E categorically dismiss. There won't be any relation between actors and dancers. This is pakka. E plus E no conclusion means there is no any type of conclusion. There won't be any conclusion between actors and directors. No actor is director. No. Some actors are not directors. No. There is no valid conclusion from actors to dancers. So, you can write conversions. No singer is the actor. Yes, valid conclusion. No dancer is a singer. Valid conclusion. I am saying no conclusion means from actor to dancer there won't be any conclusion. So if you find any conclusion in terms of actor and this is dancer, you can categorically dismiss that one. So that is E plus E. In the same way, for I plus I, there is no conclusion. That is, here some actors are singers. Some singers are dancers. This is I plus I. For I plus I, we don't have any conclusion. What does it mean? There is no relation between these two terms, actors and dancers. There is absolutely, you can categorically dismiss any conclusion between actors and dancers. Of course, you can have conversions. Some actors are singers means some singers are actors. Some singers are dancers means some dancers are singers. So there is no conclusion means between actors and dancers, absolutely there is no conclusion. Any conclusion you can categorically dismiss. You will not verify by drawing Venn diagrams like that. Okay. So, and another thing where we don't have any conclusion. Is A plus I. Friends, you must be very careful. For I plus A, you have a valid conclusion. Saying that I. But A plus I, you don't have any conclusion. I plus I are not the same. I plus A and A plus I are not the same. They are different. I plus A is different. A plus I is different. I plus A has a valid conclusion, I. But A plus I, you don't have any valid conclusion. So you can categorically dismiss that one. See, A plus I, no conclusion. A plus I, no conclusion. See, all singers are actors. Next, some actors are dancers. This is A plus I. So you have to remember A plus I, no conclusion. No conclusion means between singers and dancers, between these two terms, you don't have any valid conclusion. You can categorically dismiss any conclusion between singers and dancers. Okay, friends. Friends, now let us see some examples regarding these 6 rules. See, first question is, some actors are singers, all the singers are dancers. These are this is S1, this is S2. C1 and C2 I am writing. Some actors are dancers. And no singer is actor. See friends, this is your question. These are the two statements. These are the two conclusions. Now we have to verify which of these two conclusions follows from the given two statements. So if you look at the statements, this is I plus A combination. This is I, this is A. So I plus A combination. What is the conclusion for I plus A? I. So some actors are dancers is a valid conclusion. So some actors are dancers. This statement follows. If you look at the second statement, friends, you can categorically dismiss the second one. Because the second one is no singer is a dancer. That is E type. No singer is an actor. This is E-type statement. When do we get E-type statement? A plus E is equal to E. But in the given statement, A is there, but E is there now? No E is there. So you cannot get E. So you can categorically dismiss. Don't draw Venn diagrams, all those things, and try to get this. No singer is an actor. No, you can never get this. One more thing. First thing, this is E-type conclusion. If you want to get E-type conclusion, the statements must be A plus E. In the statements, A is there, but E is not there. So you don't get E-type. That is one thing. So you can categorically dismiss. And the second point where you can dismiss is, this is negative statements, friends. This conclusion is a negative conclusion. Here both these statements are positive. From positive statements, you will never get a negative conclusion. This is an important point, friends. From positive statements, you will never get a negative conclusion. So you can categorically dismiss this. So your answer is 1. Second question, friends. All the flutes are instruments. Friends, all the questions are given in the description box. I am not writing the full terms. I am writing only the first letter of that word. So all the questions are given in the description box. You go to the description box and check the questions. Okay, friends. First statement is, all the flutes are instruments. And all the harmoniums are flutes. All the harmoniums are flutes. See friends, here the alignment is not done. All the flutes are instruments. All the harmoniums are flutes. Here these two statements are not properly aligned. So to make the alignment, first effort is you can reverse the two statements. You can change the order of the given two statements. Now I am changing the order of the two statements. I am writing S1 here. I am writing S1 here. All the fluids are instruments. All the fluids are instruments. See, I have just changed the order of the given two statements. First, as it is, the given two statements are not properly aligned, and as a first effort, what I did, I have changed the order of the given two statements. See, now the two statements are properly aligned. All the harmoniums are flutes. All the flutes are instruments. All the flutes are instruments. Now we have to consider these two statements. Now let us see the conclusions. What are the conclusions? First conclusion is all the harmoniums are instruments. All the harmoniums are instruments. All the harmoniums are instruments, and all the instruments are flutes. All the instruments are flutes. See, this is A plus A. This is A plus A. For A plus A, what is the conclusion? A. So, all the harmoniums are instruments. All the harmoniums are instruments. See, first conclusion is that one. All the harmoniums are instruments. So, first conclusion follows. First conclusion follows. And second one, all the instruments are flutes. All the instruments are flutes. What is the statement? What is the statement? All the flutes are instruments. From this statement, what can we write? Some instruments are flutes. Some instruments are flutes. Not all the instruments are flutes. But here the conclusion is all the instruments are flutes. All the instruments are flutes. That conclusion does not follow. Only some instruments are flutes. Only some instruments are flutes. So second conclusion does not follow. Only the first conclusion follows. So your answer is option 1. Your answer is option 1. Some mangoes are yellow. Some mangoes are yellow. Some mangoes are yellow. Some pisco are mangoes. Some pisco are mangoes. See, these two are I plus I. Moreover, first of all, the two statements are not properly aligned. So first let us change the order of the two statements. Let us write the first statement here. Some mangoes are yellow. Some mangoes are yellow. Okay. This is I plus I. This is I plus I. For I plus I, you don't have any valid conclusion. You don't have any valid conclusion means between Tixo and yellow. Between Tixo and yellow, no conclusion is valid. Let us see what is the conclusion now. Some mangoes are green. Now the ridiculous green is not there. Some mangoes are green. Some mangoes are green. And pisco is a yellow. Pisco is a yellow. See, here the green point is not there in the given statements. Of course, some mangoes may be green. Some mangoes may be green. We cannot consider that term. See, we have to totally depend on the data given in the statements. According to the statements only we have to go. So, from these two statements, we cannot draw any valid conclusion. Here, first conclusion is some mangoes are green. No, we can't say. No, we can't say some mangoes are green. That is not valid. And the second one is Tisco is a yellow. Between Tixo and yellow, no conclusion can be drawn. So that is also invalid. Okay, let us see the last one. Some ants are parrots. All parrots are apis. All parrots are apples. All parrots are apples. Okay, this is I plus A. For I plus A, we know the conclusions. Let us see the conclusions. What is given? All the apples are parrots. All C1. All the apples are parrots. All the apples are parrots. Friends, you can categorically dismiss this conclusion. Don't go for Venn diagram, all those things, because this is A type conclusion. When do we get A type conclusion? When A plus A is there. From A plus A only we get A type conclusion. Here, that is this case is not like that. Only one A is there. So from one A you don't get A type conclusion. If you want A type, you should have A plus A. So without going for anything, you can simply dismiss this conclusion. Let us see what the second conclusion. Some ants are apples. Some ants are apples. See, yes, fine. I plus A is equal to I. So conclusion is from this end to this end. Some ants are apples. So second one safely follows. Okay friends, tomorrow we shall see more number of examples. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.